What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to do some 0 to 60 runs in the M2. Why am I doing this? Because ever since I got a Dragy, I got to know how fast my car is and how close I am to the publication speeds. But also, the Minicoaster challenged me. Shout out to Blueprint 1LE, 100 Gang Nate, race car friends. So we all have fast cars and all of us thinks we're the fastest person in the crew. So I'm about to put down some scientific data so it's logged. This video is going to be the proof, so I'm laying it out here. This is all for fun. No money's on the line, bragging rights, which is more valuable than money to me. But in my ZL1, I got 4 seconds 0 to 60. And the Integra, I did like high 7.8. That's not a 0 to 60 car. This M2, I think the publications are getting about 4.3 seconds to 60. I think I can do around 5 seconds to 60. So we're about to jump in to see in just a minute. So race car friends and 100 Gang Nate has Civic Type R's. They think they're faster than my M2. So we're about to just see. We're just gonna see. That's all I gotta say. Get the Dragy. I got the link in my description. If you want one, buy one from there. It's an affiliate link, helps out the channel. And shout out to Blueprint 1LE because he bought one and he's got that hot rod Camaro. So he's got the fastest car of the crew right now. So he would have the fastest, but does he have the skill? That's what we want to see. So I want to see yo 0 to 60 Tony. So let's go. About to do the first run over here. I'm gonna set it to Sport Plus mode. I kind of want to drop it down to Sport mode, but I'll play around with it as I go along because the accelerator is very sensitive in Sport mode. So I want to get this launch right. So this is what we're about to try it in Sport mode. Stay in this comfort. We got number 1. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. So that was 5.23 seconds, which is decent. Got a little bit of wheel spin. I don't even know what I launched at, so I got to figure out how to use launch control on here. I heard I got to take traction control off, which is my arch nemesis. And then let me try it out while I'm over in this parking lot before my spot get blown up. What in the world? Up. Fuel reserve. Okay, so it looks like I don't have a launch control in here because traction control off, it just freely revved. So we'll see, but let's get on to number 2. So we're about to do attempt number 2. This time I dropped it down to sport mode. So I had a lot of wheel spin and the accelerator is so touchy in Sport Plus mode, so I think it's overkill for what I'm trying to do. I don't need all the power all at once. I just want a good launch. So let's get on with number 2. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 5.42. No bueno, that's worse. So we're gonna do one more time and go to a different spot. So I'm getting quite a bit of spin here. So that last one I tried to launch at like 3,000 RPM. Let's do like 3,500. And mind you, I am not the greatest at this, so we're about to get it done though. All right, number 3. 3. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 5.18. I gotta get below this 5, so smelling my tires right now. So let's go to a different spot, man. Maybe we a little dusty over here. Maybe I gotta go to the prep track. So let's do that and get back with it. All right, 5.19 is the best. I'm gonna do a third attempt here and then go to the next spot. So I'm gonna go back to Sport Plus and see if that makes a difference. Pretty sure I can get below 5 seconds. That's my goal, below 5 seconds. So let's do it. Should probably warm up the tires. Let's see if I can do that real quick. Alright, get the tires going a little bit, get a little bit more traction. Try it one more time. That was kind of a weak sauce burnout, but I'm new to this, so bear with. Alright, just learn how to do a standing burnout on camera. You witnessed it here first. Alright, let me turn my traction control back on. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That launch, man, I'm gonna have to do it without traction control because I'm killing my power. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 5.17. Dang. Hearing some nice blow-off sounds in here though. I ain't heard those yet. Alright, so this one's gonna have to be a little bit different because I done turned traction control off. Gotta put on my big boy shorts. Wearing these short shorts right here. But I gotta, like I was saying in my last video, I'm gonna have to ease into it and have smooth transitions. So let's see how I do. So I gotta hold this thing steady. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo, there we go. That's all I need to see. Broke 5 seconds. What's that, 4.98? All right, feel like I don't even have to do this anymore since I beat my goal, but it was like right there at the line. So I'm gonna do one final one since I got 4.99. Let's see if we can do even better. Final run. 3, 2, 1. Whoop, oh, I lied. 3, 2, 1, go. Nope, I want that one again. Yeah, that was a weak sauce start, so about to do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Did we do it again? What does that say? Yeah, we did it again, so 4.99. All right, we're all done with the 0 to 60s. So I was right where I wanted to be. So 4.99, cracked the 5 second mark. Not as close as I am to the publications, but they be on fresh tires and prepped tracks. I'm on an unprepped track. So I think I did fairly decent for the car, granted the location that I'm at. So good job, M2. So that puts me about on par as race car friend's Camaro SS1LE. So I think he got about 5 seconds. So run it back, brother. Let's see what you get with this Civic Type R. And if you did get 5 seconds, bragging rights, I beat your SS1LE. There we go. But I want to see what these Type R's do. So I know the automotive publications say 4.9 seconds. So I want to see what these guys do in real life. Get these Dragys. I'll buy the Dragys. That's what we need, because I don't want to hear no excuses. Get the Dragy, get out here on this pavement. So I want to see what Blueprint does in his SS1LE, because I think his car is faster than what my ZL1 was. And the best I could do in the ZL1 in the same locations was 4 seconds. And that thing was kind of tricky to launch, but it did have launch control, so that was very helpful. This car, I was at it on my own. But yeah, had a fun time doing this. Learn how to do a standing burnout, rolling burnout, so got to get better with that stuff. Rear wheel drive stuff, man, come on. And launching without traction control, that was the first. Personally, I think I'm getting better. I'm unleashing all the skills and techniques and trying to lump them all into one, retain this information so I can be a better driver and get better at that track ultimately. So I appreciate you all for watching. I'm Q checking out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.